Hello and welcome. Cody always here to help you have the most healthy, glowing, and gorgeous skin. And today I'm in my bathroom and I'm going to show you how to use my new 6-week transformation kit in a very quick video. So morning and night, you use your Gentle Glow Cream Cleanser. I use about a pea-sized amount, not very much. I put a little bit on my forehead and I put a little bit on my cheeks. It's meant to be massaged into dry skin, so if you have makeup on or anything. And when you start to add the water, then it'll start to suds and liquefy, but the product will melt into the skin and through any makeup. So you put it on like this and it seems strange because you're like, where's the sudsing action? But as you add water to your hands like this, you'll start to see it suds. So it's a cream cleanser that also will suds and really start to exfoliate and brighten the skin, but in a very gentle way. So you should use this for about a minute. And you just really use your fingertips to work it into your skin, work it in, work it in, work it in, like this. It will hydrate, brighten, remove makeup, neck. So spend enough time doing that and then rinse that off, but at least 45 seconds to a minute. Get right under your eyes like this. If you want to add more, you can. I don't like wiping off a lot of product and cleansers, especially in the back bar, because this is kind of like a professional back bar item. So when we're doing a treatment, I don't want to sit there and spend so much time getting the cleanser off the skin. So that's why it's designed this way too. It's just a very unique cleanser. I don't know what to say, but you can keep working it up into a lather like this. So for those of you that like more lathering, keep going. Okay, now on the third and the fifth night, you're going to only use the Advanced Exfoliating Cleanser. And so I'm going to leave this on, but you could rinse this off. So I'm just going to kind of show you that third and fifth night. So I'm going to use about 4 pumps, and it will kind of dissolve a little bit, but the liquid in here is what contains the ingredients that will transform your skin. So as it liquefies and doesn't suds anymore, it will still continue the work. But on the third and fifth night, you're going to kind of work this product into your areas of concerns. So whether that's pigment over here, and you're going to spend a minute really working it in, using your fingertips to kind of push that product in and massage it in like this. So if you're dealing with pigment up here, sit here and kind of really work it in. If you're dealing with breakouts over here, work it in. It will cause the skin to kind of look worse before it gets better on some people because they're active products. So this might cause some purging if you have a lot of acne, congestion below the surface of your skin. But see how I'm sitting and really working it in? It looks like I'm rough on my skin, but I'm really gentle. I am barely, it's a quick movement, but the pressure is actually very light on myself. It just looks like people have commented and said, girl, you're so aggressive with your skin. I'm really not. So, and you can get your neck if you're not too sensitive. So after about a minute, then you rinse that off. I'm gonna just use a little towel here. Do rinse it off with more coolish water instead of like hot water, because the hot water can cause irritation and dryness. So that was on the third and fifth night. You use that Advanced Exfoliating Cleanser as your main tool and technique to just really improve certain areas that you're really troubled by, like pigments or fine lines, wrinkles, breakouts. All right, so, my skin already feels so yummy just with that alone. Then every morning and night, after you do your normal routine, you're gonna use the Vitalizing Vitamin C, 6 drops morning and night. I'm gonna do that now. And it's gonna probably soak right in because I just did that. A little bit on my forehead, a little bit here, and a little bit here. And then I just kind of work it in like this, okay? And then I'm gonna go right in with the pigment brightening now. It's absorbed enough. 1 pump of the pigment brightening. I put just a dash here, and a dash here. And then just work it in. And then once this is worked in a little bit, you can just let it absorb completely for 10 to 15 minutes. If you don't, then it's not going to reach its full potential of the products. This is meant to kind of slowly marinate into the skin to penetrate deeper and brighten more. But if you just throw on your sunscreen or the weightless or the repair serum, it's not going to have much time to work. So let that absorb. Then during the day, obviously, I'm just going to wear my sunscreen. Some of you may want to, after the pigment brightening treatment has absorbed, apply a pump of the extreme moisture, let that absorb, and then your sunscreen. So you just have to figure out what you need. The extreme moisture is meant to use as needed. You can still use it twice a day as long as everything gets absorbed into your skin, but don't overuse it because we are trying to exfoliate and dry up some of that damage. So anyway, I hope this helped. Obviously, I'm gonna let this absorb and then apply my sunscreen, but let me just do that now for you so you can kind of see. It's not gonna be the same because I haven't let it completely. It's not quite. I'm not going to do that because I don't want to waste. I want this to work. I'm going to go get dressed and then I'll put my sunscreen on. But you should use about 2 pea-sized amount of the sunscreen. So if you guys have any questions, you can always reach out. We're here to help you through the process. I say stick with it. Be patient. Keep pushing through. And you know, this is about a long-term strategy to skincare success by giving your skin the nutrients that it needs consistently. So and you know, if you're like really troubled with a specific concern and you're, you know, just wanting more advanced tips, we're going to ask you to be patient but also to email us and reach out at info@montarboskincare.com if you're kind of needing further assistance with certain things. But we are coming out with an advanced kit later for those people who are hardcore. Anyway, I love you so much. I can't thank you enough for your trust with my kit and your business. And as always, stay gorgeous, and I'll see you soon in a new video. Bye.